Okay. Wow, this feels nice. And so this video is about one of the very basic lie told to you. So basically, a story has been told to you about your existence, right? About how you have happened. And the story starts with, okay, you were inside the womb of this woman, and then in 9 months you stayed there, and then you came out, right? And then you grow up the child and it gets education, then he has to get a job and then he has to work for a certain time. And then, there will be like money for the retirement. And then this guy might be like live in a retirement house or like old age house and die. That's the story is told is in terms of like how your life should be. And the similar old Indian stories, the Ramayana and Mahabharata, they are like similar stories. If you see in that way. Like they have a different version of how you should live your life. That's it. There can be, there will be like a kingdom. They have a different way of going about it. So there you will be born in either like one of these 4 families, and then you will do this, and then you do this, and then you will die. So they have highlighted, okay, this is a better way. And so now we are not actually talking about this like, going very deep into this side. Because my main focus is actually the root of the story. The root of the story, especially in countries like India, is this institution of family, right? The institution of family, I call. Oh my God, I'm so insensitive. Yeah. Because don't you think it's an institution? So much has been lied to you. What I'm talking about is not highlighting like this is how a child is born. I'm talking about like let's look the entire story from a child perspective. Okay, let's start. Now I am child. For 9 months I am in the womb. In the dark I have some vibrations. I have like heartbeats. Okay. Then I come out, something happens, like something weird happens and I come out. Something like in my child's soul, it will be like, wow, something drastic changed. And then it's like, starts opening the eyes, feel something, feel like crying, breathing, everything, right? Because child is not breathing inside. It's like first time he is breathing now. And then, from a child perspective, what is family? The only relation or the only dependent a child needs is a woman. You understand? So all of this institution I said in that sense, like that woman can be any result of the childbirth, right? Why does the woman has to be with one man, married, and all of this, like this, she has to obey like this and that's, isn't that is also a story? Think like that. I'm going to crack everything. So in reality, a feminine is all you need to take birth. I mean, don't you feel it like today's science also? Like women can go to a sperm bank and just like inseminate like artificially and she will be mother. It's that only, no, that is the science behind it. That's it. So then there is like this family institution, the child first came. So they are the original storytellers to the child. You understand? So the child will become a sub part of all of their stories. Just because they were here first, so they get to dictate how life is, how it should be. And then it's like the younger child cannot do like this. You are young, you don't know, you have no wisdom. And that develops in a bias, right? So if somebody dies on the outside, I don't care. You know? Oh, no death, nothing, life is all happy, rosy. But if my family member, something happens, I will be like, oh my God, my world has collapsed. No, it's the same death. Why are you biased about it? Was that not person like someone's son, someone's family member? The same rule applies, right? So why do you value or have a biased view towards like people in general? How can you be equal to everyone if you have like binded in this institution to be fair to everyone around you? So yeah, the biggest of the biggest lie, especially in an institutional setup, is this concept of the family. The concept I'm saying because it's not just what is responsible for the childbirth. It's about this entire thing, right? Like this female child which will be born from the same womb will be the sister, right? And sister will have these certain qualities. And this is the certain way you have to treat her. I'm not questioning whether it is right or wrong. I'm just saying it is hypothetical. The entire thing is conceptual in nature. It's all a story told to you. By who? By the same family. So obviously, don't you feel like they will put their role first? So if you actually want to center yourself, even mentally as well as physically, you have to be completely balanced in life. So you can see through the right and wrong like clearly, right? Not in any factorial of something simple, right? Just money. I mean, that is very simple. Why are you going after the sub-product of like imagination? There is actual imagination here. Like this tree is actual, right? And that is just a sub-product of the thought. Just as that. And similarly, the relationship, the family, entire thing is just a production of the thought. It's like a story, right? Told to you. Okay, I think it's a long enough video. Take a lot of time to upload. See you. Okay, so this is the second video of the truth series, and we'll start with the truth. This one is like small.